Magandang hapon po ng Friday, October 25, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, October 25, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng October 25, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, October 25, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for October 25, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, October 25, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.